All right, good morning, class. How's everyone doing?
Good.
Good. Are you guys ready to listen?
Yeah.
Ready to learn?
Yeah.
All right, I have a couple questions for you. Raise your hand for me. Don't shout out. Raise your hand for me if you've ever heard of the magic E. Heard of the magic E? What about, put your hands down. Maybe you've heard it called the bossy E. Have you heard that? Now put your hands down one more time. When you see a bossy E, do you know what it does to the vowel before it? Who can tell me what they think it does to the vowel that comes?
It makes it say its name.
It makes it say its name, correct. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to practice. I'm going to read you a set of 3 words. How many?
3 words.
One of the words belongs in the set, 2 of them don't. So what you can do, you can listen to the 3 words. When you hear the word that belongs, the one with the magic or the bossy, that makes the vowel say its
Name.
when you hear that word, you can put your hand up and share it with the class. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so listen for the words that have a long vowel sound. Here we go. Are you ready? Okay, good. Lap, cake, up. Lap, cake, up. Which word belongs, Gerson?
Bake.
Close. Bake or, what did you hear?
Cake.
Very good. Close. Lap, cake, up. Are you ready for number 2?
Yeah.
Okay, listen real closely, and you're trying to hear the long vowel sound. Pad, ride, bin. Pad, ride, bin. Yes,
Fried.
correct. Pad doesn't belong, bin doesn't belong. Why not?
Because they don't have the magic E at the end.
They don't have the magic E at the end. And does the vowel say its name?
No.
In add or in? No. The short sound, not the long sound. Nod your head if you agree. Okay, give me one of these. The 3rd set. Listen closely. Red, male, head. Red, male, head. Male? So red and head don't say a long vowel sound? Correct. Good job. Pat in the back. Pat in the back. Okay, last set before we move on. Listen closely. Top, road, bid. Top, road, bid. Riley?
Road.
Road, correct. Why is road the one that belongs?
Because it has the magic E.
Has the magic E at the end, and what sound does the vowel make? Does it say its name? Road. Correct. The O says its name. All right, now I'm going to show you a set of words, boys and girls. And you're going to read them out loud. And we're going to notice what the E does to the end and to the vowel that comes before it. Okay? Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Fin.
Fin.
Fine. Us. Use. And? Are you noticing a pattern here?
Yes.
What's happening to the vowel that comes before the E? Saul?
It's name.
It's saying its name. But when the E isn't there, does it say its name?
No.
No, it doesn't say its name.
Rick.
Huh?
Rick.
And?
Right.
And?
Bite.
And?
Pie.
Good.
Hole.
And?
Hole.
What was this one?
Hole.
And?
Hole.
Good. What's this one? Is this the long I sound?
No.
Not yet. But what about this one? Hide. Hid and? Getting close to the end. And? And? Good. And? Good. Okay, now that's all we have for the review. What can you tell me about the magic E now? What did you learn?
I learned that the magic E says the vowel's name.
It says the vowel's name. Now, I'll tell you this. There are some tricky words where they have a magic E, but the vowel that comes before doesn't say its name. But that's for another time. All the words we just reviewed, they do follow that rule, okay? So what we're going to do next is we're going to do a couple of different things. A few people are going to sit with me and work on an activity together. The rest of you are going to play a game with dice. Do you know what dice are?
Yeah.
They have a bunch of sides with dots, okay? And those dots, what do they mean when you see one dot? What does it mean?
The dot means like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4.
Very good. It goes with the number. Can you say the dot goes with the number?
The dot goes with the number.
Okay. Now on that worksheet, there are numbers 1 through 5, maybe even 6. When you roll that number that goes with the number on the worksheet, you're going to look at the words on that line. When you see the words on that line, you'll figure out if you can put a magic E at the end or not, whether or not that works. And if it changes the word into a word that's a real word. Okay? Can anyone repeat that back to me? What are you going to do, Derek? Okay, so first things first. We've talked about this before. When you get a brand new paper, what do? You do what? Okay. So now that I've written my name on it, I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing with a partner. So, this is a dice. Can you say a dice? So each of you and your partner, you will have one die together. I'm going to roll this dice and see what number I land on. What number is that? 5. Very good. So now, I'm going to take what you will have, your pencil, my pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you agree? All right, give me a thumbs up if you agree. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an E onto the end of this word. It was limb. Is limb a word? It doesn't sound right, but when I put the E on, the I says it's... So limb becomes... Lime. Can you say lime? Okay, it's one of those green fruits. You've seen it before?
Yeah.
It's like a lemon, but smaller and green. So it's a real word. How about I go a couple more times? Is that okay? Okay. I landed on 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Am I in the right place? So not down here, right? Not up here? Good. This is tub. Is tub a real word? Yeah, tub is a real word. But if I add an E on the end, it makes the E say it's... So this word becomes tube. What shape is a tube? Kind of like that. You can see through it, right? Yes. You agree? Okay, last time. Are you ready? One more? Here we go. All right. The dice landed on 1, 2, 3, 4. So just below where we were at. Is hall a word? H-O-L? A-O? Not the way it's spelled here, okay? But if I add an E on the end, that bossy magic E makes the O say its name, and it becomes pole. Now, does that make sense? Okay, good. We got to double check and make sure we're comprehending what we're reading. If it makes sense, then we're good. We can move on. Are you guys ready to begin this on your own?
Yes.
All right, very good. Okay, are you guys ready to review? All right, so
Yes, you go to the same thing.
what do you have in front of you? Is it a worksheet about the silent A, the silent O, the silent I? What do you have? What does it say? Silent E. Very good. So when you say the silent E, does it say anything? Are you sure? When you add it on to the end of a word, does it become kappa or kepa? Oh, it's silent. Yes. Okay. So we don't actually say the E sound. Are you guys ready to review a little bit? Okay, here we go. You ready? Thin and fine. Us and... Very good. Can and... Rip and... Bit hid and capped and not and not and note. At and ate. That's it. Are you guys ready to start the worksheet? Okay, put your finger on the first word. What does it say? Cap. Now rewrite it. C-A-P. And this time add a magic E on the end. What word is that? Cap became... What sound does the A make? So, A. Do you agree, Carlos? Okay. Now, move to the next one. Not. N-O-T. Are we done there? Or do we have to add a magic E on the end? Yes. The directions say change each word to a CBCE word with a silent E, okay? Now the next one is cut. Is cut a word? Yes, you can get a cut on your hand on the playground, right? Now take cut and respell it and add a magic E on the end. Cute. Yes. Okay. Now if you're done with cute, begin the next word. Bit becomes bite. Bit becomes bite. Good. The next one below that is fin. Does a fish have a fin? But if you add a magic E, what does it say? Fine. I'm feeling fine. And last but not least, can becomes cane. Alright, now what did you see? What did you notice on the words that you wrote? Did you add the same thing each time? Did you guys hear what he said? He said, you take this word, and it doesn't have a magic E. You add it on the end, and then the vowel says it's name. Very good. Okay, so, can you think of any other words that have a magic E on the end? Cake? Okay, so turn your papers over. I want you to come up with two words that have a magic E at the end. She said cake. What do you say? Cane. Good. Cake. Bake. Make. Lake. Can you guys write these down? These are great. Cake. A. Good. Now, what about a long O sound? I hear it ringing and I pick up the phone. That's one of the H brothers. Yeah. Phone. Okay. All right. Good. Can you come up with just one more? Can becomes cane. Good. What about ton becomes tone? T-O-N? T-O-N? T-O-N becomes tone. Great job, buddy. You're doing fantastic. Hey, fantastic. Okay, just show me your paper. Show me your paper. Fantastic. All right, I'll take that. Great work today.